children. Good evening to everyone. Okay. Yesterday I gave some homework and I gave some practice in strokes, isn't it? What are the strokes you had learned yesterday? Yes. Okay. Upper strokes, down strokes and middle strokes, isn't it? So you learned all the three different strokes. Okay, fine. So today what is a new thing we are going to learn, that is cursive alphabetical letters. Okay. That before you had learned only single cursive letters, that is small cursive letters. Here we are not joining now, but I am showing in the capital cursive letters. Okay children. Now let's start the class. Before start the class, I would like to say what is that. First, keep your pencils sharp. Okay. See, now listen here. Look at here. Your pencil should be like this. Not tiny pencils. It should be big and your point should be very sharp. When I am going to start my class, be ready with your pencil and eraser. Okay. And just concentrate on the board while I am writing here. Okay. Now listen here. Cursive, how I am going to start. Are you all ready now? Should I start? Or should I wait for 5 more minutes? Are you ready with the notebooks? Pencils? Okay, so you are all ready now. So let's start my class. I am going to start now. Okay, cursive letters. See how I am going to start the children. This is how many lines I had drawn here. You don't draw any 4 lines. It is already in your classwork. Okay, it is only for practice purpose I had drawn the lines. Okay, so now this is little bit difficult for you, but you take your own time, write very slowly. Okay, and look at here. Start from the mid lines again to upper stroke. See, I am writing. I am showing here. Write very slowly, children. Don't be so super fast. Okay, here. Now see here. Just don't lift your fingers. Without lifting your fingers, you should write cursive letter B. This is cursive letter C. Good. Now the next letter is cursive letter D. Don't lift your fingers. If you lift your finger, you are disturbing that letter. Okay. See, this is cursive letter E. Is it clear, everyone, for you all? I hope every letters are clear for you to write easily. F, cursive letter. And this is cursive letter G. Okay, children. The next one, cursive letter H. Cursive letter H. Cursive letter I. And the next letter is cursive letter J. The next letter is cursive letter K. The next one, L. The next letter is M. See how our teacher is writing? Just concentrate here and write very slowly in your classroom notebook. You don't run and dear. Okay, while writing, you take your own time and write. Don't write very clumsy handwriting. Place the finger gap and write. O, cursive letter O. Cursive letter P. This is all capital letters. In cursive, we are writing in the capital letters. Okay. Q. This is cursive letter R. And this is cursive letter S. Little difficult for you to write S, but I'll show you in a different. Okay. See, listen here. This is cursive letter T and this is cursive letter U. This is cursive letter V and this is W and this is cursive letter X and this is cursive letter Y and this is Z. Okay, finish, completed. Now you place the full stop. Now listen here, children. See, please, when you start writing, you don't lift your finger. Okay, when you are holding a pencil, hold it. You see the lines here. First line, second line, third line, fourth line. Okay, how to start the letter, where it is ending. See that. Each and every letter, you observe it there. and write very neatly on the lines. Okay, don't get the letters and don't get it to so below the line or either or above the fourth line or first line. Okay children, it should be on the maintain the correct line, correct processing. Okay, now listen here. You may think that teacher D is very difficult, B letter is very difficult. No dear, nothing to worry. See, you see, observe these lines. You may understand very easily. Look at the first line, second line, third line. See, from first line I had started. Take a curve, again lift it, curve it. That's it. Finished. The C. And don't make it as E. If you write C as like this, will become E. C, don't take a complete turn. It's a very light turn. Is it clear? This is C. When you take the D turn, look at here, curve it, straight line and curve it. Okay. This is D. Okay. This is D. The next letter is E, F, G. Here H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Okay, teacher, how to write yes, teacher? Yes, I will show you very easy way. Listen here. This is only yes letter taking only 3 lines. First 3 lines. Look at here. First 3 lines. Drag the letter, go upward, bring it down just like a turn. That's it. S. You got it now? This is the way you should write the S letter. Okay. And B. How to write B letter? This is B. Very simple. See? Are you facing any difficult to write? Nothing. So please. But if your pencils are so sharp, you can write those letters, those strokes very neatly. If you want to get very good handwriting in your class or notebook, your pencil should be sharpened. If your pencil are not sharpened, you can't write with a good handwriting. Don't use a blunt pencil, children. This is a small request for my small tiny kids. Okay. So please carry on with your good pencil. Sharp it. Tell your mom to sharp the pencil, or if you know, you sharp your pencil and then start writing, children. Don't do any blunder mistake while writing. Place the finger gap. Just after each and every letter you place the finger gap and keep on writing. That's it. You don't pack all the letters so clumsy. And A is here. If you start writing, for example, see, I don't write like this. I was just showing to you. If you write like this, can you able to understand? No. If you write like this, is it a good way? No. This is wrong. Don't pack all the letters very near without any finger gaps. See how it is looking very dirty handwriting, isn't it? See, look at here, this handwriting and this handwriting. Will you write like this? No, this is wrong. How to write? Place the finger gap and take the space, give the space in between letters, 2 letters, and then keep on writing. Okay children, I was very much sure that you are all writing very good handwriting now. Take your own time, okay, and observe the letters carefully and write it very neatly in your classwork notebook. And you can do the practice in the rough book too. You practice in the rough book always. Don't waste your time, okay. Now, the time you have got the chance to learn from online classes. So, this is recording session class. Okay, online we are not taking in the live session. This is recording classes. But children, you should sit beside your mom. Tell your mom, take your mom help, sit beside her and keep on writing those letters very neat handwriting. Okay children, come on, copy down those letters. So cursive alphabetic letters are completed, A to Z. Okay, fine. Is it clear everyone? I hope everyone had understand the way of writing letters on the board. Isn't it? Okay children, come on, write down. So completed? Work has completed? You are taking your time? Okay, write slowly. Thank you children. Bye-bye.